The new Ground-Fire 300 radar for the SAMP T-ing air defense system is setting a new standard in military technology. With an impressive 400 km detection range and the ability to track over 1,000 targets simultaneously, this radar significantly enhances defense capabilities. The advanced AESA technology using gallium nitride (GaN) ensures high performance and reliability, making it ideal for modern military operations that require tracking hypersonic missiles, stealth drones, and other high-tech threats. The Ground-Fire 300 provides full 360-degree coverage and rapid target tracking, allowing it to detect and monitor airspace threats from all directions. With the ability to refresh data every second in rotating mode, and up to 10 updates per second in sector mode, it excels at tracking even highly maneuverable targets. This new radar is a massive upgrade compared to the previous Arabel radar, which had a much shorter detection range of 80 kilometers and could only track up to 130 targets. With the Ground-Fire 300, these capabilities are pushed to the next level, allowing for more effective air defense. This radar will be a key component in the SAMP T-ing system, developed jointly by France and Italy. France has already chosen the Ground-Fire 300 to enhance its air defense units, while Italy will integrate a different radar system from Leonardo. This integration significantly boosts the system's ability to defend against both current and future air threats, making it a crucial element in the evolving security landscape. With its cutting-edge technology and powerful capabilities, the Ground-Fire 300 will play a major role in securing the skies.